Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I can actually close $1,000 plus per month clients at the age of only 17 years old. So look, a lot of young entrepreneurs have this limiting belief that nobody is going to pay them for their expertise just because of their age. And in today's video, I'm going to try to reframe this for you and help you out with this in your mindset. So let's get straight into it. I've been able to sell my first $600 per month package at the age of only 15 years old in like 2018, October or so. And then I was able to actually sell my first $3,000 package at 16. So, first of all, I just want to tell you that it's definitely possible to sell high ticket packages even when you're young. You don't necessarily have to be like 20 or 25 or 30 to sell a high ticket package. What you need is to have expertise and to actually provide enough value to justify charging that kind of money for your service. So let me go into that. So first, what you need to do is you need to identify a problem in the market out there and then find a group of people who have that problem and then find a solution for it and provide it to them as a service. So I recommend you to find problems that are money related. So if you can solve somebody's money issues and basically make them more money by them purchasing your service, that's going to be a lot easier sell than something that's not money related. So in general, as a rule of thumb, there are a couple types of offers that are easier to sell. The first one is one that makes people more wealthier, makes them more money. Second one is that gets them more sex or more intimate relationships. Then the third one is the type of offer that gets them more fit. And then the fourth one is kind of the one that makes them feel better and more spiritual, that kind of stuff. But that's not that easy to have. So the first three are like the hard sells. Those are like the things that are the easiest to sell in my opinion. So you want to solve a problem that is associated with one of those three things. And I recommend going with the money ones especially. It's kind of a no-brainer at the end of the day. If you think about it, if someone can pay you, let's say $1,000 per month, and then you can provide a service to them that makes them back $5,000, then why wouldn't they pay you even if you are younger? Like, it just makes sense to pay for something like that because it's an amazing investment. Identify a problem in the market and find a group of people that have that problem. Find a solution for that problem and study it, master it, go on YouTube, buy courses, buy coaching, and just become obsessed with learning how to solve that problem better than anybody out there. And then third one, just go to and reach out to these people, solve their problems, and then put a price tag on the problem solving. And guys, if you are having trouble with getting your first one or two clients, you can just go and work for free in the beginning. Now, I know that a lot of people out there are not a fan of doing any work for free, but in my opinion, especially if you are young, first of all, you have a lot of time, and second of all, you don't have any reason for them to trust you yet. So if you can just, grab a couple people, and it's not hard to get clients for free work. So just go and get, one or two clients that have big names and have authority in this certain market or niche that you are going for, and then just work for them and just try to get them as good results as you possibly can. Just study the craft day and night and get them actually good results. And then once you are able to do that, once you got those free clients good results, then the next time that you go and reach out to someone, whether they want your service or not, you have one or two names that you can tell them that you have worked with already, and you can show them the results that you got. So now you're coming to them from a position of authority and a position of power, because you can show them that you can actually do this thing that they desire to have. And then it's going to be so much easier to sell them whatever you're selling, whether that's Facebook advertising, whether that's content creation, whether it's copywriting or email marketing. It doesn't matter what your agency's service is. Once you have results, once you have clients, it's going to be so much easier to sell it to people. So I would say do that if you are a young guy, and also go out there and learn sales. Sales is so important when it comes to SMMA. It's probably one of the main pillars, because at the end of the day, all you need to focus on is getting leads, getting meetings with potential clients, delivering the service that you are selling to these people and making sure that they are getting good results, and creating new processes, creating new systems, hiring people eventually, and just repeating this whole process. And then at the end of the day, you're going to find yourself with, a six-figure agency at a young age if you continue doing this process. You also need to focus on other aspects of life. You need to make sure that your health is in place, your mindset is in place, because basically your business at the end of the day is just an extension of yourself. So if you want to have a successful business, you need to make sure that you focus on the other pillars of your life as well. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. It's kind of like the iceberg illusion, where you see an iceberg that's pretty tall on the surface, but there is so much more underneath it. So when you guys are looking at these people who are making 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 grand a month at a young age, you guys only see the top of the mountain, the tip, only the tip. There is so much more underneath it, so much good habits, so many years of consistency and hard work, and a lot of struggle, and a lot of sharpening their mind, and a lot of strengthening their character and their mindset. So I know that sounds a little bit woo-woo, but you're gonna find out at the end of the day that that is the truth. And SMMA and agency is not a super complicated business model. At the end of the day, like I said, all it comes down to is finding a problem in the market, finding a solution to the market, and learning how to do that, and learning how to solve that problem better than anybody else out there. And then just reaching out to as many people as possible and setting up as many meetings with them as possible, and just selling your service and just getting results for your clients and repeating this whole process. So if you guys found this video valuable and you want more personal help from me, then go ahead and click the link in the description below, where you can schedule in a meeting with me personally and apply for my one-on-one mentorship. Now, I'm only gonna make you an offer there if I feel like I can actually help you. This is for people who want to go from $0 or $1,000 a month or something low to around the 5K per month mark. If I believe that I can help you get there, and if I can help you with my expertise and my experience, I'm gonna make you an offer. If not, no hard feelings at all. I don't want to push it down your throat, because it's only beneficial for me too if I can get you results as the coaching client. So if we are not a right fit, no worries at all. I'm just gonna try to guide you in the right direction. If you want to do that, then go ahead and click the link in my description. If you just want to stay here for more free content, that is completely fine too. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more stuff like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.